Right, I've got gas and you can too. Anyway, wow. Let's get to work on this gate. I want to get it finished. I want to get these wooden pieces and stuff finished and tacked together and welded up. I need to start painting these things. I need to start getting them ready. It looks like Wednesday we're going to go start doing some of the site work. Yesterday, wife's birthday, we played all day. I didn't get to do anything out here. Today, I finally went down and got shield gas. So let's see, where are we at? I think we need to weld these little, or no, we need to drill these brackets that are getting the, that the boards are being bolted to. So we got to drill those, mark them, drill them. The one little curved one, you know, I hammered that out in the, on the, with the forge. It needs a little bit more just fine tuning, and I need to make the little pieces that connect it to the rest of the arc. And I think then we'll be ready to cut the boards and fit them and drill, you know, for the bolt. And then, oh, the latch. I got to cut the holes for the latch set and that kind of stuff. But other than that, oh, and I got to figure out the hinge. There's an issue with the hinges. I made a boo-boo. I'll talk about that later when we get to the hinges. But, yeah, let's get started. There it is. Oh, my garage. I really don't like wood. I'm a mess. Look at this. It's not that I don't like wood. I don't have as much of a love affair for it. It's not my preferred medium. These are the side panels. They're kind of buried alive. We had a little bit of an issue. You can kind of see. I still haven't drilled the holes for the bolts on these. The gate, I drilled the holes. Those are 7/16 carriage bolts by, I don't know what the length is. I don't remember, 1 3/4 or 2. I don't know what it was. I don't remember, and I don't care. Anyway, the one of the boards split. Trying to get it in there, trying to get it right, sized up right. So I had to cut another one, and then I had to run it through the planer, and it's down here on the floor, and I'm covered in sawdust and that kind of thing. I'm done for the day. It's getting dark. Tomorrow I should be out here pretty much all day. Tomorrow's Easter. I know these videos aren't coming out really necessarily very quick. You probably won't see this until, I don't know, Monday or Tuesday or when. I don't know when I'll post this video. But anyway, I'll probably be able to work on it pretty much all day tomorrow. There's a little bit of something that we're doing in the evening, but a lot of sanding. I need to get the little, there's some little ornamental pieces to put on there. I got to make some caps for the posts on these side pieces. And then I have got to cut the stuff for the latch set. And as soon as I get that done, as soon as I get the latch set done, then we will be able to start painting it, I think. Well, find maybe some little bit of sanding and you know, degreasing and that kind of stuff, but it'll be ready, I think, to start putting the paint on them. And because I'd like them to be pretty well painted before I go down and start setting them. And then there's there's still a issue with the hinge. Like I said, I'll get into that when we actually get to the hinges. But anyway, that's it for today. So till next time, bye.